Extinction. It's a word that evokes a sense of finality, of irreversible loss. The end of a species, a permanent goodbye to a unique form of life that once roamed our planet. But what if extinction wasn't always forever? What if we could reach back through time and bring back creatures long vanished from our planet? This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. In a groundbreaking feat, scientists have brought back an animal from the dead, the dire wolf. Last seen roaming the Americas over 10,000 years ago, the dire wolf has been resurrected by colossal biosciences. This monumental achievement is not just about reviving a single species, it's about the potential to restore entire ecosystems, to bring balance back to nature. Imagine a world where species lost to time could roam the earth once more. The birth of 3 dire wolf pups, Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, represents a new hope for conservation and a testament to the power of modern science. These pups are not just a curiosity, they are a symbol of a future where extinction might be a challenge we can overcome. The implications of this breakthrough are profound. It opens up possibilities for the revival of other extinct species, potentially reversing the damage caused by human activity and climate change. The dire wolf's return is a beacon of hope, a sign that we can correct some of the mistakes of the past. It's a story of loss, of resilience, and now perhaps of a second chance. As we look to the future, the story of Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi reminds us of the incredible potential of science and the enduring spirit of life on Earth. The birth of these pups marks a new chapter in the story of life on Earth. It's a story that continues to unfold with each new discovery, bringing us closer to a world where the past and the future coexist in harmony. This is the promise of de-extinction, a promise that we can restore what was lost and build a future where biodiversity thrives once more. The journey of the dire wolf from extinction to rebirth is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The birth of Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi marks a new chapter in the story of life on Earth. It's a story of loss, of resilience, and now perhaps of a second chance. A chance to rewrite the narrative of extinction and to embrace a future where life in all its forms can flourish once again. The dire wolf's return is just the beginning, the dawn of a new era where the impossible becomes possible and the lost are found once more. How did scientists achieve this remarkable feat? The answer lies in a revolutionary gene editing tool known as CRISPR. This technology allows scientists to make precise changes to the DNA of living organisms, essentially rewriting the code of life. Colossal biosciences used CRISPR to edit the genome of the grey wolf, a close relative of the dire wolf. By carefully analyzing ancient DNA extracted from dire wolf fossils, they identified the key genetic differences between the two species. Then, with incredible precision, they used CRISPR to edit the grey wolf genome, effectively copying and pasting the dire wolf genes into their modern relatives. The result? Healthy dire wolf pups born through surrogate mothers carrying the genetic legacy of their long-extinct ancestors. This breakthrough opens up a world of possibilities for bringing back other extinct species, from the iconic woolly mammoth to the flightless dodo. The direwolf is just the beginning. This majestic creature, once a dominant predator in its ecosystem, represents the first step in a groundbreaking journey. Scientists are not just looking to bring back a single species, but to revive entire ecosystems that have been lost to time. Colossal biosciences and other research teams around the world are working tirelessly to bring back a variety of extinct creatures. Their work involves cutting-edge genetic technology, meticulous research, and a deep understanding of the natural world. These scientists are modern-day pioneers, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Imagine a future where herds of woolly mammoths once again roam the Arctic tundra, their massive forms shaping the landscape as they did thousands of years ago. These giants could help combat climate change by promoting the growth of grasslands, which are more effective at sequestering carbon than forests. The dodo, a symbol of extinction since its disappearance from the island of Mauritius in the 17th century, could be brought back to its island home. Reviving the dodo could help restore the island's unique ecosystem, which has suffered greatly since the bird's extinction. And the gastric brooding frog, a marvel of nature that incubated its young in its stomach, could once again demonstrate the incredible diversity of life on Earth. This unique species could provide valuable insights into amphibian biology and help us understand the impacts of environmental changes on these sensitive creatures. These are just a few of the species that could be given a second chance thanks to the revolutionary technology of de-extinction. The implications of this work extend far beyond the species themselves, offering new tools for conservation and a deeper understanding of our planet's history. The potential benefits are immense, from restoring lost ecosystems to advancing our understanding of genetics and evolution. By bringing back these lost species, we can learn more about the intricate web of life and how to protect it for future generations. However, the prospect of bringing back extinct animals is not without its critics. Some experts caution against playing God with nature, warning of potential ecological disasters and unintended consequences. Introducing resurrected species into existing ecosystems could disrupt delicate balances, potentially leading to the extinction of other species. Others argue that the resources devoted to de-extinction could be better spent on conserving the species we still have. The ethical considerations are complex, demanding careful thought and open dialogue. The welfare of the animals themselves is paramount. We must ensure that any resurrected species is released into a suitable habitat where it can thrive and fulfill its ecological role. Section 5. Colossal Ambitions, a Vision for Conservation and Beyond. Colossal Biosciences, the company behind the dire wolf's return, envisions a future where de-extinction plays a vital role in biodiversity conservation. They believe that by bringing back extinct species, we can restore damaged ecosystems, combat climate change, and learn invaluable lessons about genetics and evolution. Their work has attracted significant investment from high-profile figures like Tom Brady and Paris Hilton, demonstrating the growing interest in this groundbreaking field. Collaborations with conservation organizations and indigenous communities are crucial to ensuring that de-extinction efforts are conducted responsibly and ethically. Colossal's work extends beyond just reviving extinct animals. They are also developing cutting-edge genetic technologies with applications in human healthcare and disease prevention. Their research has the potential to revolutionize medicine and improve human lives. Section 6. Dire wolves in the modern world. A new chapter unfolds. The three dire wolf pups, Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, are currently residing in a spacious 2,000-acre preserve carefully monitored by scientists. This preserve is designed to mimic their natural habitat as closely as possible, providing them with the freedom to roam and explore. As they grow and mature, researchers will be studying their behavior, diet, and social interactions, meticulously documenting every aspect of their lives. This data will be invaluable in understanding how these ancient predators adapt to modern environments, comparing them to their modern wolf relatives to understand the unique characteristics of this ancient predator. This comparative analysis will shed light on the evolutionary changes that have occurred over millennia. There are even plans to introduce the dire wolves to tribal lands in North Dakota, where they could play a role in restoring balance to the ecosystem. This initiative is being developed in collaboration with local Native American tribes, who have a deep understanding of the land and its history, where they could play a role in restoring balance to the ecosystem. By reintroducing these apex predators, scientists hope to revive the natural processes that have been disrupted by human activity. This would mark a significant step towards rewilding, a conservation effort aimed at restoring natural habitats and re-establishing the species that once thrived there. The concept of reintroducing lost species to their native habitats to restore ecological functionality. Rewilding not only helps in preserving biodiversity but also in maintaining the health of our ecosystems. The return of the dire wolf is not just a scientific marvel, it symbolizes hope and resilience. It demonstrates our ability to correct past mistakes and work towards a more balanced and sustainable future. It's a powerful reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world and the responsibility we have to protect it. By supporting such initiatives, we contribute to the preservation of our planet for future generations. Section 7, Biodiversity, our shared responsibility. The successful revival of the dire wolf highlights the importance of biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth, is essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of humanity. It provides us with food, clean air and water, medicines, and countless other benefits. Yet we are facing a global biodiversity crisis. Species are going extinct at an alarming rate, primarily due to human activities such as habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution. The consequences of inaction are dire. We must act now to protect the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Supporting conservation organizations, reducing our environmental footprint, and advocating for sustainable policies are all crucial steps we can take. Section 8. Join the journey, stay informed, stay involved. The story of the dire wolf's return is just the beginning. As we venture into this uncharted territory of de-extinction, it's important to stay informed and engaged. Subscribe to our channel for updates on the dire wolf pups, the latest developments in de-extinction technology, and the ongoing efforts to conserve our planet's biodiversity. The future of life on Earth depends on our actions today. Let's work together to create a world where both humans and wildlife can thrive.